Hey guys, my name's Janelle. I'm the owner of Sandcastle University, and today I'm going to show you a few little intros to being a professional sand sculptor and how to turn this hunk of sand into a castle. The first thing I'm going to do are turrets. Turrets are the square things that are on top of traditional castles. I'm scooping a hole, make them look like a donut. Once you have a donut, you're going to grab some water, splash him down. It's going to look like he has icing. Next tool is a baby spatula. I'm going to cut out slices of our donut. The slices that are left over are going to be those turrets. Last one. And water again. We're going to splash in between. That's going to smooth everything out. There we go. I'm going to make a little balcony on the side. We're making a line wherever we want the bottom of that balcony. And you're starting up top, you're shaving straight down and then straight out. You're making a little ledge. Your castle is constantly drying out, so every now and then we're going to spray him down, rehydrate him. Whew. That balcony is not straight. There we go. Perfect. The great thing about sand is if you mess up, you can just redo it. Alright, measuring spoon for our next tool. I'm going to make a door, so you're going to scoop in, down, out. Keep going. One more. Nice. You need some windows. Place your finger where you want the bottom of that window. You're going to scoop in, down, and out over your finger. Make a few columns. We're going to go straight up and down. Leave a space, make another one. Go. Alright, let's get rid of all of this fuzzy fluffy stuff. Brushes are erasers, right? So you want to take this fuzzy fluffy part of the brush and smooth out anything that you don't like. Any drippies. Looking good. All right, let's add some bricks to this puppy. Bricks are sideways lines, so wherever you want those bricks, draw your sideways lines. On the bottom row, we're going to do up and down lines. This is where it gets tricky. On the row above, you find the brick underneath, you find the middle, you make a line above. So you alternate your brick lines. Don't worry about that fuzzy sand. We'll get rid of him in a sec. All right, gotta clean it off. So I'm gonna take my straw, and again, you always wanna blow. You do not suck. You'll know if you've done it wrong. I'm gonna blow all of that extra fuzzy, fluffy sand off, and then it's gonna leave the details. If I wanted to erase them, I would brush them until they were gone. All right, we're gonna do stones on this side. Spray him down. We're gonna do circles. Little circles, round and around, till your stone is three-dimensional, till he's poking out. And then stones are all different shapes and sizes, so just find another little circle. And then same technique as before, you're gonna grab that straw and blow off all the extra fuzzies. Once you're done with your castle, you can start working on some landscaping. So let's go ahead and make a little cave right in front. I'm gonna put my cup, open part of the cup is the open part of the cave. And I'm gonna scoop wet sand out of this bucket and cover up that cup. Scoop, cover him up. Scoop, cover him up. One more, scoop, cover him up. Get some water, splash, splash. This is where it gets tricky. You want to find the edge of your cup, and then you're not going to pull it straight out. You're going to twist in a full circle, and then you can pull them straight out. And then with your large spatula, you can just slice off the front. A crowd favorite is always steps. So I'm packing down where I want my steps to be. And I'm going to do an L shape. Very lightly and softly. I'm going to go straight down. I'm going to pull all the way out. Smooth. I'm going to go back, straight down, all the way out. Straight down, all the way out. I wish it was this easy to make steps in real life. Alright. Trees. We have to have some greenery around. So most of you know this technique as like drip castles, right? So I'm going to do the same drip castle technique, except I'm going to do it on one spot. It's going to build up and make particularly a Christmas tree, right? So I'm going to scoop, and then my hands are going to go into a V shape. My fingers are touching. I'm dripping it on the same spot. And you go back. Another scoop. Wow. I think the only thing missing right now is a Alabama snowball, right? An Alabama snowball is just a sand ball, but we like to confuse people. So I'm gonna get a big scoop of this wet sand, and I'm not gonna squeeze. I'm gonna treat it like a little egg. Roll. Roll, roll, roll. Don't squeeze. You're gonna grab that dry, fluffy sand and powder the donut. Lots of donut references today. Roll. Wash, wash, smooth it out. And then you have a very sturdy Alabama style ball. Again, my name is Janelle. I'm the owner of Sandcastle University, and I come to you. So I teach sandcastle classes to people who come down here on vacation. You just let me know where you're staying at. I show up with all this stuff, and I teach you everything you need to know about how to be a professional sand sculptor.